Hello everyone, my name is Ler Mhlanga. I'm a performing artist. I work for Hala Group Entertainment. So what we do at Hala, I work as a talent scout and artist management. Also at Hala Group we own Hala Radio, which is an online platform. So what I do mostly is to look for talent, create opportunities for talent. I've always been passionate about talent, about creating opportunities for untapped talent. So with me, my job has always been, and my dream. One of my dream jobs would be owning the biggest entertainment company. In that entertainment company, we'll have different departments. We have the film production, music production, talent production, and the biggest media house. That's the vision, that's the dream. I think when I wake up working in that space, it will be an honor for me to work in that space for a job I'll never do. I think I can't be a nurse or a doctor because I've a phobia on needles. I can't even stand an injection. So for me to cut someone, operate them, I think I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that at all. Yeah, my dream job is owning the biggest entertainment company. That's my biggest job. I don't see myself dreaming of working in another environment. Also, I don't dream of working. For me to be working there, I should be owning the space. To be owning the establishment, because I don't believe I have to work. But given an opportunity working in that big entertainment company in Hollywood, in those big theaters, being able to run such establishments, so at Broadway, I can work at Broadway, so my dream would be working in such big spaces, in the entertainment space, That's where I feel I'm so passionate about. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. I'm here now. I'm ready. Please tell me my job for today. I'm excited at the same time. Okay. Let's do this. Chef. I am your chef today. I've never been in a kitchen. I can't cook. I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm excited to do this. Let's do this. No, I'm okay. But at the same time, I don't like the kitchen, man. I don't normally cook even for myself, man. But I'm ready for the challenge, and I'm hoping I do my best. But I'm trying to understand, ukuthi into vele ihamba kanjani emakhishini, yabona. Yeah, I do cook, but like basic, yabona nje. Uthi ngishaye ipalish, yabona. Fast, yabona. And I don't understand lento le yabo well done, medium, none. I don't understand this thing. Yabo chef, but
Hello.
Hi, hi. Nisha.
Hi, my name is Nusha.
I'm Larry.
Nice meeting you, Larry. So today we are going to be checking out your cooking skills. Can you cook?
No, I can't. I can't cook.
Oh my gosh. So what is going to come out here? Because I'm wanting to make you to
No,
make
I'll improvise.
You'll improvise?
I'm seeing
cheese, chicken,
chicken,
flour.
what's this?
This is mushrooms.
Okay.
Yes.
Flour and
Cheese.
Are we
So
making
can you?
pizza?
Ah, yes. I was about to ask you if you can guess what we're making. Yes, we're making pizza. Are you excited to try and make pizza for the first time?
You know, I'm excited at the same time. I'm a bit nervous, because I thought I was going to do a simple bake.
No, this is simple.
Simple.
This is as simple as it gets.
Boga, like the ingredients.
Anxious, sihlanganise, you'll be very excited. You'll be very happy with the end result. I hope so.
No, let's do this.
All right, let's do it. Okay.
Okay, wait, but sugar, do we?
Okay, so the sugar will
Yes.
go in with the flour,
Okay.
yeast, and warm water. So first we need to put in the flour,
Okay.
warm water, yeast into a bowl. And then you just stir it a little bit and you let it sit. And you let it sit until it starts like bubbling, go by like a bit misty-ish.
Okay.
So when it's misty, that's when we are going to add our flour and salt.
You start afresh.
Okay, let me give you the bowl.
Okay.
In this bowl, can you please put 1.5 teaspoon of this, this is called yeast, instant yeast. I'll need to, let me cut it open for you, sorry. So we'll put 1.5 teaspoon of the instant yeast, okay? We are going to then put this sugar, it's like quarter cup sugar, and then we put 1.25 cups of warm water.
All right.
Yeah.
It says how many?
1.5. So this, it's written here, 1 teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon, so you put one of that, a full one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yay.
It's a full one.
Yeah, that's good. And then half,
How?
yeah. Looks like you're shaking.
It's my first time to do this, so.
Are you shaking? Okay, can
Yes, 1.5.
yes. All right, and then you put sugar. You are going to make pizza today, and guess what? You're even making the base.
Ha.
Yeah,
So?
that's so you put all of that sugar in,
Okay.
and then next we are going to put 1.5 cups of warm water. So we have the water here already. Can you measure the 1.5? So this is a cup. Okay, let's turn it this side. So this is a cup. You put like 100 ml, and then you put the water up until here. So 1.5 cups. Wait. Yeah, no, half is here. It's 1 cup. Can you see here? Oh, no,
This
yeah.
is
1 cup and half. So if you put up until here, it's 1.5 cups.
Okay, then until it's 2 cups.
Yes, but we only
So-
need 1.5 cup. So because the water is too hot, you put 1 cup hot and then half a cup from the tap,
Oh,
so that it's
okay.
warm. Because we want warm water. Don't burn yourself. 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. Yay, that's okay. You can add cold water.
Okay.
The rest, yes, because we need 1.5 cups of warm water, not hot water. So yes, you can open here. Yeah. Tell me when to close. Okay, I can see from here. There we go. Okay, that should be enough. So you mix it in. You put it in there.
Okay.
Yep, all of it. And then you can start mixing with the spoon. And then you'll have to leave that to sit for like 5 minutes until it gets like frothy.
Okay. So normally, what happens when you are waiting for 5 minutes?
It gets frothy on top. Or like, what can you do?
Yeah. Because
Oh,
I'm
okay.
thinking,
We can start chopping the vegetables.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because there's vegetables that will go on the pizza. We can also just do the chicken. So you are going to marinate the chicken and we'll fry it as well.
I'm ready.
You are? Okay, that's good. Perfect. Yeah, that's okay now. So now we have to leave that for 5 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. I'll set a timer. There we go, 5 minutes. Okay, next we are going to, let me turn the stove on. We are going to, I'll get you to put a drizzle of oil in the pan. Drizzle, just drizzle. Yay, there you go. You have a good drizzle there, but you can put a little bit more.
Okay.
Yes. That's perfect. Okay. So that, once that is hot, then we'll put the chicken. But for now, what you can do for me is marinating this chicken. Would you like to have a drink of something, just in case you're sweating? Okay, I'll put this for you. All right, so you can start your chicken. You need to put salt and pepper. So here's your salt, here's your pepper there. You have to put salt and pepper. All right, let me just take out a little bit and put it in a different. Oh, sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, it should be fine.
Oh, sorry.
We need it to not have the liquid that's been draining from the chicken. So we'll put it on this paper towel. So now you have that chicken to season. So please put the pepper, salt and pepper. You just make this, just grind it in. Salt and there you go, pepper. That's okay. Then you can put the salt now.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. You feel like a chef now? You feel like a chef, so we have cumin here. You can use any spices that you want. Yay, so now we get you cooking chicken. Oh, sorry, I forgot to give you an apron.
Hey,
how can I do that?
No, chef, no.
I feel like I need an apron.
Hey.
Okay, I can help you.
Yeah.
There we
Now
go.
I'm a chef now.
Now, yeah, something
Now
was
I'm a
missing.
I'm more
Something was missing. I had one for myself here, but I'm the boss today, so.
So
there we
what
go.
do we put here? Do we put
Your
this?
phone. No, you can't put a knife like that. So please start. The timer for this is ready now, but we can just do the chicken and give it a bit more time. Yeah. You can put it in now. Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
You're not gonna die, don't worry.
Yeah.
It's just cooking oil. It's actually, yeah. So I'll put more olive oil because I'm seeing that it's sticking.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. There we go. Look at our chef, guys. He is cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just let it cook a little bit and then you'll come and turn it.
Okay.
So what you can do in the meanwhile is mixing this. So you have to put some salt in here.
Okay.
Yes.
I can't see.
I'll tell you that's okay now. That's okay now. All right. So we will have to put we'll have to put the dough in the machine so that it can start mixing for us. So what we're going to do, we'll take this and put it in this machine here. So you put in everything and make sure you just swirl with the water a little bit to get out all the yeast, yes. Good job. Okay, awesome. So next, we are going to start adding this flour.
Okay.
We add half a cup at a time. But please, can you please check on your chicken, chef?
Okay.
So that we're not burning the chicken.
La into engizangapheki nayibona le.
There. You're doing a good job. You see it's starting to get brown?
Yeah.
It's browning. So that's exactly what is supposed to happen there. Okay. We can leave it again for a few more minutes. So we have this to put your fork standing the other way, yeah. Awesome. All right, chef, this way. So we start mixing the
So
dough.
you mix, you put half a cup all the time.
Oh yeah, half a cup at a time. Yes.
So I can't just estimate it and put 3 cups at a time and relax here, let this thing.
Well, no. There's no shortcuts. Okay. We put more, another half a cup. You're doing a good job.
Thanks to you, you know.
All right, so we'll let this mix. We'll check our chicken. So another thing we do, chef, we clean as we go.
Oh,
That's what happens in the kitchen. Oh, that's good. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah, so now we're going to switch it off because it doesn't need to cook fully all the way because it's still going to go into the oven.
Oh, okay.
Yes, with the rest of the ingredients. We'll switch that off. And always you have to make sure that your pan, you have the handle this side so that when you're passing you don't bump it and you have accidents. Okay, our dough is mixing there. That's good. So now what we're going to do, I'll have you chopping the vegetables. Are you ready to chop, chop, chop?
Yeah, no.
There we go. So this, you have a knife. I'm sure you know what a knife is. It's very dangerous. And I have these vegetables here for you to chop. So the mushrooms, you'll just slice them. They'll be like this. The peppers like that. And then the onion like that into cubes.
Okay.
The tomatoes, you just cut them twice. You get 4 pieces. All right. So here's an onion. Let's see if chef can cut an onion, guys.
Size guys. Yeah, like it.
The knife is very sharp. Please be careful. So our dough is ready. Let me just, there we go. You see, that's our pizza dough. It's now all ready to be used. But the thing with this pizza dough is that you need to let it rest for 1.5 hours to 2 before you can actually use it. So because I'm a nice person, I did some, I prepared some before you guys got here. Then we are going to use that one. It's
thank you, because I was like, okay, now.
What are we going to do for 2 hours?
Yeah.
All right, let me just quickly grab the dough that's ready. And then we can, so this is how it will look once it has risen. Yeah, remember you put yeast in it. Yeah, so this is like 2 hours of proving. It's called proving, that's what we call it. Yes, so now what we're going to do, I'm just going to put some flour here on this, and I'll cut some dough for you and you'll roll it out.
Guys.
You good there, chef? What is happening?
No, I always see them throwing it around on it.
Ah, yes. They do that, but you can do this as well. Just stretch it nicely so you can get a nice thin crust. What is happening, chef? Your hands are...
I'm playing at the cheese.
Yeah, it's not difficult. I think you just need to be used to doing it, that's all. Okay, it's okay now. So now I'm just going to grab, I'm going to grab a plate. Because we want it to look nice, this will be you'll use this to make sure that you cut it into a circle around, yeah, so that you get a nice shape. Get you to put, let's put the mushrooms, sorry. I'll put this knife here. That's a very good job.
No, Pela, it's in the order.
Guys, I don't want to go to the order. Yeah, you beg again, you beg in order. Yeah. That's very beautiful.
Yeah, we're in order.
That's good. Let's have a big peg, bonin. There we go. So we have some green peppers. Now I'll beg in order. Yeah. Okay, let me
Before.
just. Oh yeah, this is
Siyabuya. Siyabuya.
before.
This is before, guys. This is before.
It's beautiful, by the
Yeah,
way.
yeah, boy.
It's so cute.
Mm.
Well done. All right,
Yeah.
so now you can just open that oven door and put it in there.
Okay, thank you. You know, I think we have about 10 minutes.
Yes, we do.
So, if I can know more about you and what you do, this is a beautiful and amazing experience
Thank
for
you.
me, you know.
Yeah.
So maybe you can just tell me what you do about Nusha Kitchen and
Yeah.
Kia Eswatini.
Yes, so my name is Justina Nusha. Well, I do quite a few things, really.
Okay.
Not a lot, but a few. So obviously my passion is food. Like, I love food. Where there is food, you find me there, basically. I love food a
Yeah, and
lot.
I think I could tell, you know, with the way you are so passionate about
Yeah. Yeah,
food and,
yeah,
you know.
I have a very big passion with food. Like, even when I'm
Okay.
traveling, or I just like trying new recipes and everything. Just today I was trying out a new recipe, so I love
Okay.
cooking a lot. I do a lot of cooking, a lot of baking. I cook a lot. I do a lot of cakes, cupcakes, and
Okay.
all those things.
I think we would have tried some one or two special cupcakes, you know.
I
Because,
do have.
I have a sweet tooth. So
Oh, that's good because I made some cakes this morning. I made some cakes this morning, different flavors, like 7 different types of flavors, I think.
Wow,
So
wow.
you will get to taste those once we're done here.
Okay.
I also do gifting. I do like gift hampers and everything. I also
Okay.
do, like, I'm a virtual assistant as well. So yeah, I do get a little bit busy. And what do you do?
Oh, so okay, I'm into performing arts.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm a talent producer.
Oh, that's good.
I do quite a number of activities within the performing arts
Yeah.
industry. You know, I've been a dancer, choreographer.
Ah,
and,
okay. All right.
Yeah, I do quite production. You know,
Oh,
but
that's
currently
good.
I'm with an online platform called Hala Radio.
Okay,
That's-
I'll follow you.
Yeah, that's where I'm
I'll
working
follow
now.
you. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, that's good. My daughter actually loves dancing. She's a big dancer. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
it's good to know that you like dancing. You know what? I actually think you did a very good job.
Mm-hmm.
And I can give you a 1 out of 10. All right, I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Guys,
A 10 out of 10, guys.
Yeah.
I'm serious. This looks awesome. Like, oh my gosh. Let me just.
you
help
heard that, guys.
This is a 10 out of 10. It's juicy. It's crispy. The base is crispy.
There's
like,
order,
oh
there's
my God.
order,
And
there's order, you know. There's order.
There's
guys,
a lot
there's
of order in the ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. So now we have this. We have your pizza here. You can just cut a small piece and taste it and let me know what you think. Here's a knife and a fork here. You can try it out. Oh my God, it looks so yummy.
Yeah.
It looks yummy. Look how juicy it looks.
Mm. Yeah, ngiyabona,
Yeah,
ngibona
she's-
ngibona lokho ukuthi yathi ufuna ukusha on camera, guys, yathi.
How does
Imsebenzi
it
yami,
taste?
imsebenzi yami.
Good job. You did a very good job.
Yeah, no.
Good?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So I'm sure he cannot wait to test the rest of the pizza.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
I got a 10, guys. I got a 10. 10 out of 10. First time. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure working with you today and showing you how to make pizza. I hope that you will try it at home. I can send you the recipe, and you
Please.
definitely
Yeah.
tag us in your picture so we can see what you've done.
I will, definitely.
All right. Thank you very much.
Guys, thank you. You know, it's been a journey for me. I'm so happy and excited. First time making my own homemade pizza, and I got a 10 out of 10.
Woo, woo, woo. Good job. High five. Yes.
Yes.